Today we're going to be trying to custom ROM the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 to Android 16 GSI Pixel experience, hopefully. Since you guys liked the last custom ROM video on this device, so today I'm going to be doing something special. I'm trying to custom ROM Pixel experience and trying to custom ROM it to One UI GSI based as well, but I don't think that's really possible, but we're gonna try our best today. So first thing, we installed Lineage OS last time, 21. So you just hit format data and just type in yes, then it should format all your other stuff. Like, this is just the basic format, not really, and then you just press on system, data, and catch, and then it's on your own risk. I'm not responsible for any issues you have with your device, so yeah, just had to let that out of the way. And make sure to guys hit that sub button and like button if you want more content like this. It really will help and motivate me to keep doing what I'm doing right now with custom ROMs. Android 16 GSI ROM. Guys, scratch that idea. Unfortunately, the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 doesn't support GSI ROMs as it lacks the project trouble. That's what Gemini is saying, because I can't figure out why. Because it's a 32-bit processor, so we have to scratch that idea and search up for something. Custom ROMs for N9005. This is the custom ROM I installed on the Galaxy Note 3 in the last video. So we'll take a quick look at other stuff and hopefully I find out with something. I found this CR Droid, I think based on Android 11, so we can try that. Oh goodness, what is all of this? Source codes. Guys, I found a custom ROM that looks like iOS, as y'all can see here. So we'll be trying that out and other ROMs, hopefully. So once you got the custom ROMs installed, you just plug in your device on your computer and then you just drag the file. It's gonna be labeled omni_HLTE, and then you see the internal storage, you just drag the file there. Should be it. That's the easier way. There's like the other way, which is via ADB, which is using command prompt. And I'm gonna leave all the description. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description for all the custom ROMs I'm gonna be installing on the Note 3 today. So you just give it like at least 1 minute, 2 minutes, depends really on your computer. If you're using a hard drive or an SSD. And then once it's done, you just go to your phone, as I will show here shortly. After it's done, you just hit install, and then you see the ROM. You just click install, hit the ROM, and then skip digest before, and you just swipe to confirm. Oh goodness, what has happened? Oh guys, god damn it. So the ROM apparently doesn't seem to be working, but that's no problem. We have another ROM. Let's try to flash it or try to fix this one. Apparently it keeps saying that I need to reboot to install the custom ROM, so let's hope this is gonna be the fix and not have another headache. So I'm trying to redo the process again, and hopefully, fingers crossed, this works this time. Now, fingers crossed, when we press this, hopefully Ah, god damn it. Let's see. Ah. What's the problem? Oh, guys, I know what it is. I didn't read the... Hold on. I didn't read the build. As y'all can see here. That ends with HLTE _ China. I think that's what this says. Yeah, so I think I just did this one, which isn't the actual ROM. So let's try the other one and fingers crossed. Uh-oh, we're having a Windows 11 moment. So after the file is installed, you just drag it to your Note 3. And into your internal storage and just wait, and fingers crossed this time, or else I'm losing my mind if this doesn't work. After it's done transferring your files, so you just hit fingers crossed. Yes, let's go. So we now just wait for it until it's done, and I'll be right back once this is fully installed and ready to boot up to the setup screen. So after it's done, you just hit reboot. Fingers crossed we don't get boot loops. Uh-oh. Kernel is not. Oh goodness. What does that mean? Oh gosh. Normal. Oh, let's go. Yes, I thought I was about to lose my mind. Doing all this shit over again. Guys, I swear to you, this thing has been stuck for 5 minutes on this loading screen. I might just have to pull a plug on her. Hopefully. Then you just put that thing back on. Hopefully it doesn't have to do the same issue, but I don't know what this issue is. Kernel is not C droid enforcing. I don't know what that means, but it's probably not a good sign. So it's been 15 minutes and it still hasn't booted up. So I guess we're moving on to another custom ROM. Let's just yank the battery out and then just hit recovery again. Oh, goodness. Wrong combination. It's volume up. There we go. So I found another custom ROM on XDA forums, which is MSMXTENDED. So, reinstall it. Downloads. Wait, that's. So we installed a zip file. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this ROM actually works, unlike the last one. And guys, make sure you install GApps if you want Google support, as y'all can see here. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description. And this ROM is based on Android 10, guys, so just so you know. After the ROM is installed, we're gonna do the same thing as last time. You just drag the folders into the Omni _ HLTE. Depends on what device your name is device or how your device is named. After it's done, you just unplug your phone and then you hit install, then install the ROM, as y'all can see here. There we go. And just give it a few minutes until it fully installs and then click reboot. And fingers crossed this works, because I'm getting pretty tired with this bullshit. And there we go, finally, the error, the red text is gone, so this is a good sign that it's gonna fully boot up. Fingers crossed. Can't speak too soon. And here's the booting up screen. The boot up screen. It's kind of sick, if I ain't gonna lie. Let's just hope it'll go past the screen. There we go. Please. Oh, it's already set up. Huh. What Android version number 1? This is pretty fast. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is fast. But damn, I forgot to install the GApps, which is I'm gonna be right back, guys. Now finally, this time we actually dragged both folders into the internal storage. It's gonna take a few minutes, but it'll be better than having no Google Apps. And we just repeat the same process. You install first the custom ROM, and then after that you just go back and then hit the GApps. Apparently GApps doesn't work for whatever reason, so I guess we're gonna have to do it via Aurora Store. So after installing, I found another GApps, which is the Nano version. So make sure you install that. Make sure you select Nano. That's what the ROM is recommending. So fingers crossed. Nano. Hopefully it'll work. So I figured out the GApps issue. So you basically go to advanced wipe and then you hit system, if I'm correct, and then you just press on resize file system, and then you go back and install the GApps. So yeah, let's reboot it. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it works. I'm really liking the boot up animation on this. And oh, that's a good sign. So let's set it up. No. So I'm just gonna set this thing up and then So after getting things set up and all my apps installed, let's test it out. First thing I want to see actually is these settings. What does this custom ROM has to offer? Extensions, gestures, AOSP gestures. Oh, that's pretty sick. 3-button navigation, which is the normal that's built into the Note 3. And the lock screen, some things as well. This video is getting too long, guys, but anyways, there's like gestures and all the good stuff that you find on Android. And then let's go to display. Let's see exactly what the theme room is. So I set it to pitch black, and there's like a lot of things. There's like Google Dark. Like, this is what I love about Android. You just get the full customization. And surprisingly enough, there's an always on display feature. How do you get that up? There we go. The always on display. So as you guys see, which is pretty sick, I ain't gonna lie. So enough rambling about the features. Let's test out the apps. Let's just close out of this. Let's test out Roblox. I know these usually crashes on custom ROMs, so fingers crossed that this works. It's pretty laggy. It's not surprising. It finally loaded up after like 3 minutes. I guess we're waiting. Oh, never mind. I set the settings to the lowest, as you guys can see here. It's lagging already. Why is it automatic? I set it. Oh my goodness. There we go. I set it to the lowest. And as you guys can see, it's lagging. 1 frame per second. It's running like a PowerPoint. So anyways, let's try a different app. Instagram. I'm gonna see how that performs. Still laggy. The Reels feature. The type of content you see on Reels. I'm done with this. Next app, TikTok. Goodness. Yeah, it's taking its sweet time. Copyright. As y'all can see, the performance is atrocious on this thing, but it's fine. Spotify. But it finally loaded up. As y'all can see, it's performing pretty okay. Let's try Facebook. Okay. Not bad. It is usable, but you wouldn't be enjoying. And the other thing I really like about this ROM, it has the stock Android skin. Like, I guess One UI is pretty great as well, but I prefer the pixel-like UI, the stock Android. Alright guys, hope you liked this video, and hit that sub button if you want more content like this. And let me know down in the comments what other custom ROMs you want me to install on the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 or hopefully other devices. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you later.